input. And here we are going to define our parameters. So this is left and right, then we have forwards and backwards, then we have up and down, and then we have yaw velocity, right? So we will put all of them as 0. And then we will check each one of them. So we will write if kp dot get key left, okay, it has to be capital left, then LR, which is your left right, is equals to -50. So this is a speed that we are just giving. So we can change this if we wanted. So actually we can write a variable here, speed is equals to 50. So instead of writing speed every time here, we can just write it here. So this negative means it will go towards the left side. Now if we wanted it to go towards the right, we can simply copy this part and we can say else if, and we can change this to right. Again, this has to be right, and then we can remove this. Okay, so this is how you can do for one of them, and the same thing will happen for the rest of them. So let's say this is for up and down, so we will write here up and down, and for up and down we have to use UP,